Greasy Mitenan for tonight's dinner will show you how to make Vietnamese baguette, or is known in Vietnam as banh mi. In the 19th century, the French came to Vietnam bringing the baguette with them. Of course, they did. They were the French, and the Vietnamese had quickly adopted and adapted the French baguette into the Vietnamese banh mi, which is shorter, fatter, and with a softer and fuller crumb than the French baguette. The banh mi is then slit open and stuffed with so many delicious filling inside that it has captured the epicurious heart of millions and billions worldwide. So today, we will show you how to make this heavenly bread so you can fulfill your dream of having banh mi whenever and wherever you want. So let's roll into the kitchen and make our own banh mi. First step, you need to prepare 450 grams of flour with exactly 13% of protein. This is very important to create the right texture for your banh mi. Mix the flour with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 heaping teaspoon of sugar, and 2.5 teaspoon of bread yeast together, and we'll call this mixture 1. In a separate bowl, crack in 1 egg and add water till the combined weight is 250 grams. Mix this well and we'll call this mixture 2. In a third bowl, mix 30 milliliter of milk with 15 milliliter of lime or lemon juice, and you've got yourself mixture 3. Now add mixture 2 and 3 plus 15 milliliter of cooking oil into mixture 1 and start mixing and kneading with the palm of your hand using the folding and stretching techniques like we do in the video here for about 30 minutes or until you can pull the dough out so thin that it becomes transparent without breaking it. When kneading, you have to occasionally slam the dough down to the table to strengthen the gluten. This is a good occasion for Vietnamese moms to show their kids what fate would await them if they bring home an A-. If the mixture is too wet or too dry, add 10 grams of water or flour respectively. After your dough is perfectly kneaded, put it back in an oiled bowl and cover it with a cotton cloth. Now, let the dough rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the dough out and divide it into 8 equal parts. Cover the unused parts with a towel to keep them from drying out. Now, please pay close attention to our video here. Take each part and roll it out like this, and just follow our video to see how to shape the dough into the classic elongated banh mi shape. Repeat the same process with the rest of the dough. And once you're done, transfer the shaped dough onto an oiled bread baking tray and leave it in the oven at 33 degrees Celsius with 2 cups of boiling water. Leave the dough to rest in the oven for another 40 minutes or until the dough has risen by 70% its original volume. Once the dough has properly rested, take the dough out from the oven. Preheat the oven to 240 degrees Celsius. Once it has heated, boil 200 milliliter of water. It's time to move quickly. Spritz room temperature water onto your dough, just 1 or 2 spritz. Then immediately use a very sharp and thin razor to make a shallow slit across your dough for the classic banh mi or baguette slits. This also allows the banh mi to expand in the oven. Still moving fast, pour the boiled water into a tray placed right underneath the dough. Quickly put your dough in the middle slot in the oven. Close the oven door and reduce the heat to 230 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, voila! You've made your own golden banh mi. Now you can fill it with whatever filling you want to make the Vietnamese sandwich of your dream. You can fill it with the classic Vietnamese fillings like pate, a fried egg or omelette with carrots and radish pickles, or Vietnamese styled pulled porks or cold cuts or sausages. Okay, it's making me way too hungry talking about this, so I'm gonna leave you now and go make my own banh mi. But before I leave you to enjoy your banh mi, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more recipes to enjoy. Now all that's left is, and with that, bon appetit, itadam kimatsu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm and dig in.